Another creator, Stein, who primarily deals within the stock market, reached out to me for an interview about the CS economy. Here's a little clip from that full video you can find on his channel.
300 times as much as it was in 2014. Or, for example, the IBA power stickers you started talking about, which are now $50,000 to $60,000, I think you said. If you bought those back in the day in 2014, how much did you pay for them back then?
$1?
$1.
Now, outside of the interview, we thought it'd be fun to have a little competition. In our own respective markets, we're putting down $250 each to see who can get the biggest gains in the next 3 months. Adding on to this, because we both dabbled in crypto, we would create our own portfolios in crypto. One for him, one for me, same amount of money. We're going to see who can win a head-on battle. The budget is $250 US with no goal other than profiting. No sponsors, no affiliation, it's coming out of our own pockets. I don't plan on losing $500, so here's what I picked. The biggest factor is the 3-month period. Your traditional safe items like older stickers and cases will perform long term, but may struggle short term. While I could gamble on something like Cologne 2014 stickers expecting a summer hype, I would be in a hole if it never comes. While it has been consistent for 3 years, the time frame is undetermined and certain factors have pointed towards the market seeing a slower rise, not a massive spike. The buff trending tab getting removed plays a massive role. Without an easy way to see the biggest gainers and losers at multiple timeframes, the prices may not snowball. Because of that, I won't be gambling too hard on a potential summer hype. In my opinion, the easiest way to receive safe short and long-term gains is through cases. New cases will be drops consistently keeping the price low, but cases in the rare drop pool will steadily decrease in quantity while increasing in price. One case I haven't mentioned often, but I believe could be perfect for this time frame, is the revolver case. For me, it was basically a choice between Danger Zone, Horizon, and Revolver. I'd say the Danger Zone case needs more time. It's down 40% from its initial spike, but that's standard for a case after being removed. It could take a year, potentially longer, to reach that peak again, so I passed on that option. The Horizon case contains the same knives as the Danger Zone case, but I would argue it also doesn't fit the 3-month time frame. The case was shifted from non-prime to rare about 8 months ago and has shown potential. I do like what it offers, but I think it needs a bit more than 3 months to see its true potential. And that brings us to the Revolver case. The Revolver case was also in the non-prime pool, but it spent a much longer time there, and due to the lack of players in non-prime, it had more time for the quantity to slowly decrease. The quantity difference may not be astronomical, but it has a little secret. The Revolver case has the original knife finishes. Looking on Buff where I will be purchasing these items, the cheapest case to contain these knives outside of the Revolver case itself is the Vanguard case at 78 cents US. The Revolver case is a measly 11 cents in comparison. If you're hunting some of these very desirable and expensive old knives, Revolver would be your first choice. There are many good options right now to consider, but after flip-flopping a few times, I'm locking in Revolver. For stickers, I will be taking a gamble and a safe option. In theory, I wanted to go all in Stockholm 2021, but with a 3-month period ending right when the PGL Major is supposed to start, it's too risky. If Valve brings back borderless stickers, they will tank hard. If the hype carries through until May, I should have a large enough cushion that the short-term dip won't destroy my portfolio, but that's why I'm not going all in. It's just a little too risky. There's too many factors here. You're betting on too many things going right. I think it would be illogical for Valve to release borderless stickers again, but it's their game, their items, their choice. For my Stockholm investment, I will be grabbing Contenders capsules. With the Entropic foil being the most expensive foil by a wide margin, more expensive than many golds, people are going to open tons of capsules hunting that sticker. The Copenhagen Flames holo is also the second most expensive holo, falling just behind Mouse. Challengers has the best return for holos, but if Entropic can hold its ridiculous price, the unboxing rate could potentially beat out the other capsules. Me personally, with my own investments, I pretty much went all in Legends capsules as a long-term hold. but for a 3-month period, I feel more confident in challengers. For my safe pick, I like what Boston 2018 can provide. The returning challengers capsule is the most expensive, as it should be, and that will be my pick. Cloud9 Holo, the most expensive holo by a wide margin. Cloud9 Foil, the most expensive foil. FaZe Clan Holo and Foil is also near the top of the charts alongside Navi. After dropping 50% from last year's summer hype, I see this as a good time to pick up Boston 2018 capsules and stickers alike. Initially, I was thinking about Katowice 2019, but I feel Stockholm has taken the wind out of its sails. I feel more comfortable with an older, lower quantity collection. And for fun, here is one cheap Dick Stacy sticker. Obvious meme sticker. But do you think people will ever forget about it? I don't. I thought it would be nice to split 3 ways between some of the main investment type items to compare how they work out. It's time for my Operation Skin gamble. Oh yes, I'm talking about buying some Broken Fang skins. I do lack faith in the long-term potential, but I believe that the losses are so massive we could see a recovery. I will be going with the Ancient Collection due to the M4A1 buff. The Op Fade is in the dirt, and let's be honest, it has nothing on other Operation Ops. The Control Collection just has such a massive supply, I won't be touching anything Control. The Havoc Collection isn't too bad, especially with some of the more positive reception around the X-Ray recently, but I had to take Ancient instead. If you don't love the M4A1 Welcome to the Jungle, I don't blame you, but the Panthera Anka is what pushed it ahead for me. It covers 2 of the main weapons just like the Havoc Collection, but I'd edge the Panthera Anka over the Silk Tiger personally. My picks will consist of low tier trade-up fuel based on the price that I can get them at. It's going to be a bit of a mess as I'll pull a few from different tiers, but they will all be a part of the Ancient Collection. And now we get to the part where I have to throw up the big ol' "this is not financial advice" warning. This remains true for all of my content, but I've actively avoided mentioning crypto as I'm not passionate about it or knowledgeable. My personal portfolio consists of coins I expect to hold for years, so 3 months is also uncharted territory for me. Let's get into it regardless. I'll be going XLM or Stellar Lumens, ADA or Cardano, and ETH. Stellar and Cardano are coins based around finance, which I believe will be significant as crypto continues to establish itself, and ETH is mostly for stability. But let's be honest, when it comes to crypto, any coin really has the possibility to blow up. Are you looking for an in-depth explanation with a ton of graphs? Well, this is the wrong channel, and following a YouTuber's advice on crypto can be dangerous. Same goes for CS. Crypto is just not something I'm super confident in, and honestly, that space, the way I see it, I don't want to get super involved. Regardless, that concludes my winning strategy for this little challenge. Show some love to Stein because this is going to be a complete wash.